kapamilya, sabay-sabay natin agad palakpakan. Akas ng High Street. Ayan, nakita mo naman yung saya, di ba? Ng mga kapamilya natin Batanggenyo dito.
Batiin niyo na ating Batanggenyos ng ating sublian in 3, 2, 1.
Happy Sublian Festival, Batangas! Happy Sublian Festival!
Happy Sublian Festival!
Happy Sublian Festival!
Pagkain greetings! Thank you for being here. At syempre, mag-ano tayo, photo op muna kasama ang ating mga kapamilyas again. Turn your flashlights on. Okay, picture muna tayo sa harap. And of course, dito yung ating official photographers facing clear. And ayan, kasama ang ating mga kapamilya. Smile everybody!
Siyempre, Nikki, di ba? Yan naririnig naman natin, di ba?
Kung okay lang daw po pahinaan yung ilaw sa likod para po makita yung ating madlang people. Ayan. Ayan, sila yung ano. Open your flashlights, everybody!
Pwede niyo po mabuksan yung flashlight nyo para kita po kayong lahat. Ayan! Cute! Ang cute-cute nyo.
Ganda! Ayan! Ayan, syempre, naririnig po natin ang official theme song ng High Street ng Kalma Kahit Magulo, sang by Juan Carlos, with Joanna and Vinny Colette. And again, mga kapamilya,
Ayun, again, isang palakpakan sa cast ng High Street!
there you go! Mapapanood niyo po, syempre, ang High Street brought to you by Dreamscape Entertainment Production. Maraming salamat sa cast ng High Street! Syempre, we would like to thank our event partners. We would like to thank our event partners, SM City, Batangas, and the Mariners Hotel. Your home away from home. Avail of the 20% discount promo. And of course, and Argentina Meatloaf.
Argentina, sobrang Nikki. Sobrang saya at sobrang ganda syempre at enjoy talaga yung mga kapamilya natin Batanggenyo dito sa Sublian Festival Kapamilya Caravan.
Yes, happy Sublian Festival.
Thank you guys! Hep, hep, guys! Hep, hep! Hep, hep! Eh muna! Eh muna!
Ala, Batanggenyos.
Ala, Love you, Blight! Ingat ka! Love you, Andrea!
Again, don't forget, supportahan po natin ang High Street. There you go. Maraming salamat to the cast.
Thank you so much!
At High Street, yeah, of course.
Thank you so much!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much!
Tommy, Ralph, Miggy, AC, Juan, Carlos, and of course, our Gen Z Queen, Andrea Brillante.
Thank you so much again, SM City Batangas. Maraming salamat po at Batangas Hotel. And of course, syempre ito, avail up to 20% discount.
Yes, that's true. Asa na nga ba yun? And again, we would like to thank SM City Batangas. Maraming salamat po. The Mariners Hotel, your home away from home. Avail up to 20% discount promo. And syempre din dyan ang Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Peri Juicy